Hey guys, Native Factory 5. A lot of you have been asking, hey, where's the carbon truck that went to SEMA? Well, it's finally back. It's been gone since October to go to SEMA. After that, we used it in California as a rental vehicle while we were working with Motor Trend on the Project Corkscrew. Then they invited us to run it on the Hot Rod Power Tour West. So we said, sure, let's do that. After that, it sat for a month during Christmas. Then the final step, which was actually the coolest part, was we went back out. Jim, Colby, and myself went out to Ocotillo and tested this at Fox's Proving Grounds out there. They're awesome to work with. We have found the balance of an awesome shock on-road and very capable off-road. They'll also be working in the future to actually do like a bypass shock, an external bypass shock for the guy who wants to do the hardcore off-road only. You'll lose some street quality driving, but that's for the guy that really is going to purpose build this to beat the crap out of it in the desert and on the trails. One thing I did warn Dave, because he hasn't seen it since October, was it's not going to be as pretty as it was when it left for SEMA, because we thrashed on this thing, and it was probably the most fun I've had here in the last 10 years. There's a lot of dirt. We brought some desert dirt home, and you can see the carbon all held up fine, but it is scratches, but I actually think it looks better dirty. It's kind of cool. So Dave can have his pretty street truck, and we'll have this one as the war wagon. What a great machine. I think you guys are going to be super happy with these. With the new shock system, they're going to come standard with it. With the kit, you'll have this shock set up with it. Is the perfect balance between street and off-road. We were going 50 miles an hour plus through the desert on whoops. I think we showed a video of that yesterday. I actually think Jim said I did one run at 65 miles an hour. I did a lot of the driving. I didn't have the balls to look down at the speedometer, but Jim said they clocked us at like 65 miles an hour going through it. It's awesome. You could have a cup of coffee in there with you and it just sits perfect. The suspension is really working the way we designed it, and you'll see some of that. We have a lot of suspension videos, a lot of stuff that a lot of people will think is boring, but some of the truck guys will think is pretty cool. We'll show you under cab, underneath the front chassis, all the suspension working, and some external shots with drones and stuff. So look forward to that in the next couple months coming forward, and also they'll be we're just going to keep developing this truck to make it a real desert race truck.